Assalamualaikum students, I am Shakeel Ahmad, your history teacher. Today's topic is the reason for the decline of the Mughal Empire. We will discuss first one, the reasons. First one is the administration. So during the time period of Aurangzeb Alamgir, the size of the Mughal Empire became too large. So it created lots of problems, mainly the decisions from the central government or the emperor had to be relayed over thousands of miles. So it created lots of problems. Further, secondly, the military cause. During the time period of Aurangzeb Alamgir, the Mughal government had to get involved in different types of rebellions. So there were continuous rebellions. The cost of putting down them and fighting wars was so high. So the Mughal treasury became empty. Third reason was the succession disputes. So by the time there was no law of succession, that after the death of any emperor, who will sit on the throne or who would be the next emperor. So in the absence of the law of succession, fighting used to start between the sons of emperor to kill many efficient princes, military officers, etc. Next reason was the declining military expertise. So high-ranked army officers, they were involved in worldly pleasures and started avoiding fighting. It reduced their military expertise and skills. They used to avoid to get involved in fighting. Fifth reason is the pleasure seeking. Because of too much wealth, Mughal nobility became pleasure loving. So, and they had left Islamic principles. So when they left Islamic principles, their skills they started declining, and it became a very strong reason for the decline of the Mughal Empire. Next reason is the weak control. The central government had a less control on the different provinces and parts of the empire. The Mughal nobility grew stronger to pressurize the central government. The emperor had least control on their nobility, who got independent, and after that they started refusing to pay the taxes and revenues to the emperor. So it became another strong reason for the decline of the Mughal Empire. Next reason is the arrival of the British. In 17th century, the British had joined India as the traders, and later on when they observed the weak political system and other grievances of the Mughal Empire, they changed their policy. So they took advantage of weak political system, and they captured initially the trade, and finally they got the full control of India. Foreign invasions, they were another reason for the decline of Mughal Empire. The Marathas got so strong and they attacked continuously to the central government. Further, Nadir Shah's invasions from Persia, means Iran, and finally Afghan general Ahmad Shah Abdali. He attacked and destroyed the Mughal pride and prestige completely.